It's mom again. Today it's just 9 o'clock. I'm preparing to go to church. My friend Joyce is coming to pick me so that we can go to church because I do not have a car, and it really snowed. My neighbor Brittany shoveled my snow yesterday, my lawn, not my snow, my lawn yesterday, yeah. And today it has snowed. Wow, it's almost covering my window, the snow. That is how bad the snow is this year. I've been here for some times now, but even people who are my age mate, who are 50, tell me that they have never seen this kind of snow for a long time. But it used to be this bad. But anyway, that is also okay because oh, Joyce is here, so I'm going. I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.